Violence in schools. Teachers are reporting breaking up more school fights and are raising concerns about their own safety. Students have been caught with guns or other weapons on campuses in several high-profile incidents. And school shootings in 2022, although still rare, are on track to surpass their pre-pandemic high.
Criminologists note that the nation is in the grip of a general spike of violence. This is probably due to the pandemic and social unrest accompanying the murder of George Floyd in 2020. Their best guess is that those trends are trickling inexorably and tragically down to K-12 students.
In the last few years, school violence and shootings have dramatically increased. As of December 2021, there were 249 school shootings in total in the United States.
This was the highest number of school shootings since 1970. Of these incidents, 9 were active shooter incidents. The largest number of active shooter incidents in schools was in 2018, with 11 active shooters.
Fights are also on the rise. About 1 in 5 high school students reported being bullied on school property in the last year.
8% of high school students had been in a physical fight on school property 1 or more times during the 12 months before the survey.
It's a brutal back-to-school season across the country, spread all over social media. Police officers injured, students arrested at this high school in Florida. A 13-year-old arrested for allegedly attacking a student with autism in California.
There's no doubt that there's been more fighting and more violence on the schools.
Absolutely. This is across the board. Our members everywhere are talking about the challenge.
Incredible stress due to the pandemic, Anderson said, is intensifying mental health issues in young people. In some cases, the end result is violence.
Comprehensive strategies are required to prevent school shootings. The good news is there are proven strategies and approaches ready to be implemented by schools and communities.
School shootings typically involve a mix of suicidal thoughts, despair, and anger, plus access to guns. Schools are the right place to identify students at risk and who are in despair.
Building a cohesive and supportive school environment is key to preventing school violence and traumatic events like school shootings.
In this environment, students feel safe to talk to each other and to staff.
There is mutual trust and respect among students and school staff.
There is ongoing dialogue and relationships with family and community members that interact with the school.
And there is adequate support, training, and resources for school staff.